Kapit tayo pa rin.
Dalo po ako ng ano. Sapatos ka din yan na lang.
Dito kayo, dito diretso. Bukas sa room.
Wala lang.
Next na!
Kaya
Ayun na, ready na yung damit mo. Ayun yung damit mo. Ayun yung shoes mo.
Ano?
Oh, ayun, bagay sa matos. Sabi na pwede.
Ay, ito yung ano ko eh. Di ba? Nadibiling ano? Sabi yun eh.
Ito ba yung damit? Ayun na yung damit mo. Magpalit ka na. Hintayin ka namin doon sa loob ah.
Oh, ayun mo. Sakto, hindi pa naliligo. Ay, di.
May pawis. Yes. Ready ka na ba?
Gato, pipicture na ka kahit naliligo ka.
Ay, video ka doon kahit nag-video.
Hindi mo.
Wala, PBB ah.
Okay, tatay mo.
Hello po. Dad, thank you, Dad. Sabi na kaya pala. Sige po.
Sige mo.
Aba naman. Message na namin dito, Dad, mamaya.
When you hear the rhythm, start to move.
I've got that feeling. I've got that feeling. That real good feeling inside.
Our birthday celebrant ng Aswamo! Walang iba, hindi si Jay! Palakpakan naman tayo dyan, guys!
Kamusta naman? Anong nararamdaman mo kasi nag-ulit ka ba? Nag-surprise ka rin natin ko lahat ng mga friends and relatives na mga surprise talaga kasi nandito lahat, mga kaibigan ko, mga klase ko, pamilya, yan po.
That real good feeling inside, taking me deeper into this journey of life.
Bring me with a twist. I bring you with a twist. Oo? Kaya pala sabi ko, stand 11. Stand. Akala ko na nakaw lang yung camera. Hour 21 shots. Okay, go. So, ito yung mostly sa mga manginginom na kaibigan ni Jay.
Tonight, just makes you move a little bit like wow. Get the good feeling in your spirit right now.
Happy birthday!
And I just can't deny I've got that feeling, that real good feeling inside, taking me deeper into this journey of life. And if you ask me, I couldn't tell you how come, but I've got that feeling when it hit just make you wanna run, slide, jump high. Don't let it pass by. Oh yeah, makes you move a little bit like wow. Get the good feeling in your spirit right now. I've got that feeling, that real good feeling inside, taking me deeper into this journey of life. And if you ask me, I couldn't tell you how come. I've got that feeling.
Magpasalamat sa tatay ko kasi akala ko wala nang mga ganitong surprise kasi nga 21 years old na ako, malaki na. Tapos yun, masaya ako kasi nakita ko yung mga klase ko na tanaw ko kanina. Kaya yun lang, sobrang thankful ako sa lahat. Yun lang.
Hi Jake, it's Julia. Happy birthday. We wish we were there. I'm with Boom. Say hi. You guys met at the mall when we were there, but we wish we got to see you longer and be there with you on your birthday. But have a good day and we'll See you soon. Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Bye.
Happy day.
Jake, it's me, your Tita Riza. I'm your dad's sister. I just wanted to drop by and say happy birthday. My gosh, time flies so fast. You're already 21. I'm hoping and wishing and praying that you have the most wonderful day today and you're celebrating it with your loved ones. I'm so happy to have finally met you. Munti pa tayong hindi nakita at nagkakilala, but see, we tried to plan meeting up but hindi nangyari. But then on accident, fate had it planned for us, diba? Nakita tayo that day and I was really happy na nagkakilala tayo that day. I just wanted to say that I'm so proud of you. I hear a lot of good things about you. So, pagpatuloy mo lang yan. You be a good man that you are now. And I wish and pray that all your wishes will come true. Just to let you know, we're here as your family. Pag may kailangan ka, nandito lang kami. Don't forget, okay? Don't hesitate and don't be shy. Thank you for being such a good person and, letting us be a part of your life. We truly appreciate that. Thank you so much. And again, happy birthday. Celebrate well with your family. Take care. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Hi Jake, surprise, happy 21st birthday. I really wish I could be there to celebrate your 21st birthday, Jake. I'm sorry. But yeah, sana na-enjoy mo yung party. You're happy. And actually, you deserve this kind of party, Jake. You deserve it because I'm so proud of the person you become. I'm so proud, Jake. I'm really proud. So yeah, tuloy-tuloy mo lang buhay, pursue your dreams. I will always be here for you, susuportahan kita no matter what. Stay humble, respectful, loving person. And I wish you all the best in life, Jake. I wish you all the best. Oh, and one more thing, Jake. Para maging more memorable ang birthday mo, meron pa akong isang gift sa'yo. Meron kang hotel staycation na naghihintay sa'yo, Okada, Manila. So, yeah, it's time for you to unwind naman, spa, buffet, and swim. Yeah, mag-rest ka. You deserve it, Jake. You deserve it. So, yeah. Happy birthday again, Jake. I'll let you go. Enjoy the rest of the party. I love you so much. And see you soon. Bye, Jake. Happy birthday.
Or however low, I gotta keep that moving like adios. Just run, slide, jump, high, don't let it pass by. Oh yeah, makes you move a little bit like wow. Get the good feeling in your spirit. I got